the frequency constant. Very, very important statement it is. Okay. So what is the job of transformer? It just transfers the power from one circuit to another with the required change in the value of voltage or current. It can be step up or step down, but keeping frequency constant. This is very, very important. Tejas is asking, sir, there energy loss during this process? Yes, obviously. Whenever there is a transfer of power from one circuit to the another circuit, there is some loss. There are always some losses. That losses we will be discussing, but later on. Okay. So I hope the introduction part is clear. And the other application, this is of mobile charger. Other applications of the transformer are in power transmission line and distribution line. Okay. So transmission and distribution lines में भी generation जो है, see, always remember the flow of electricity. The generation which is taking place at somewhere, let's say a Bhatgar hydropower plant, you people are utilizing your power, let's say sitting at Pune. So this generation has to be transmitted from Bhatgar to you people, and from transmission it comes to directly not to Pune, but somewhere in the substation outside the Pune, and you people get the electricity at your Pune. Okay. So generation to transmission to distribution to your place, that is the domestic or any of the industrial application as well. So what are the devices which are required is transmission line, and most important point is transformer, because generation takes place at the level of 11 kV. Let's say just example there, of kV means kilovolt. 11,000 volt is generated at generating end. Transmission takes place at the level of 33 kilovolt. Just imagine the figure, 33 kilovolt. So who does this? From 11 to 33 is the transformer, because those transformer are not of the size of your mobile charger. Mobile charger में जो transformer है, it is of button shape. आपके शर्ट का जो बटन है उस साइज का ट्रांसफॉर्मर होता है मोबाइल चार्जर के अंदर वाला. ओके. देन what is there in the generation sides transformer, that are of your hall size, आपके घर के जितना ट्रांसफॉर्मर होते हैं बड़े बड़े. Okay, because they are doing the function of transferring the voltage of thousands of volt, 11 kV to 33 kV. Then transmission takes place with the level of 33 kV. At the distribution, you people have the voltage level as 415 volt. Now this 33 has to be stepped down to 415. So this is what distribution transformer and transmission transformer. So I hope this basic concept is known to you people. So three applications just now we have seen of transformer. Number one is mobile charger. Number two is generation and transmission types of transformer, and number three is distribution transformer. Okay. So by this point we can at least sure that the transformer is going to be the device which is going to transfer the power from either stepping up the voltage or stepping down the voltage. Okay. What Prathamesh is asking, sir, due to this, the transmission wire does not melt, or the do this can be avoided by which measures? The selection of proper size of conductor is done for transmission line does not to get melt, because every conductor has fixed melting point. Okay, so that care has been taken in the design of transmission line, but that is in third year of electrical engineering students. Okay, so good question, but it's out of our scope. Okay, now the next point is, so what we have discussed is why the transformer is important to study. अब ये हो गया. अब इसके बाद we will discuss just its definition, and then we will switch to how the transformer is constructed. Okay, so transformer क्या है वो देखना है अपने को. उसके पहले हमने वो क्यों important है वो देखा. अब हम देखेंगे क्या है वो in the definition. Then वो अगर इतना important है तो वो बनता कैसे है. So that we will discuss in the quantum construction. Okay, now the definition I've already discussed. It is going to be it is what the device. Now the transformer is whether transformer falls under the category of machines itself. Transformer एक machine ही है. Now you must have seen the movie. Which movie? Three Idiots. And in that, Amir Khan has very clearly said the definition of machine. What is that? Can you just recall it? Can you just recall it? Yes. What is the definition as per the Amir Khan in the Three Idiots? What is the definition of machine? Something which reduces the human efforts is what called as machine. Okay, so the transformer also falls under the category of the machine itself, which reduces the human efforts. Now, the human efforts are reduced by the means of changing the voltage at the level of one. Yes, correct. Student, just a minute. Huh? Okay. Yes, correct. So, DC machine, AC machine, number of machines you people have heard, and you will be studying it in second year, first semester. But transformer is also machine. But you will say, sir, ट्रांसफार्मर में आवाज तो नहीं, आपने मोबाइल चार्जर को कभी कान लगाया है या फिर कभी उसके पास बैठे हो तो देखना आवाज आती है क्या उस चार्जर से? नहीं. इट मींस इट इज नॉट रोटेटिंग. नथिंग इज रोटेटिंग इनसाइड द ट्रांसफार्मर. देन यू विल से, सर फिर आप मशीन कैसे बोल रहे हो ट्रांसफार्मर को? ऑब्वियसली ना, फैन के नीचे बैठोगे तो फैन में आवाज आती है, मिक्सर ग्राइंडर के पास देखो बैठोगे तो आवाज आती है, बट ट्रांसफार्मर के नजदीक बैठोगे तो आवाज आती है क्या? नहीं. व्हाई? Because transformer falls under the category of static machine. Okay, it is called as static machine. Static means what? Static means what? Stationary. Nothing is rotating in that. Okay. Yes. So transformer, how I can define it? It is a static AC device which is used to change the high voltage low current AC supply to the low voltage high current AC and vice versa. Means दूसरे भी, मतलब मैंने बताया ना, from stepping up also or stepping down also, vice versa, without changing the frequency. So this is what is the important definition. मैंने already explain की है आपको, but now it is just been framed into the technical language as it is an a. प्रत्येक हर line का आपको मैंने explanation बताया. What is हर word का? It is an static, that is stationary AC device. It is a device which is used to change high voltage to high voltage low current AC into low voltage high current AC and vice versa without changing the frequency. यहाँ पर सिर्फ ये याद रखना, अगर वोल्टेज हाई होगा तो करंट कभी भी लो होता है, और अगर वोल्टेज लो होगा तो करंट क्या होता है? हाई होता है. ओके, so remember this, which is very very important to know. Okay, so this is the definition of transformer. So how I can summarize the functionalities of the transformer? In brief, the transfer, it transfers the electrical power from one circuit to another. Just imagine the application, just recall the application of your mobile charger from socket to battery. So transfers the power from one circuit to another. It does so without change of the frequency. Further is coming its principle. It accomplishes this by electromagnetic induction. I hope you remember unit number 3. अगर यूनिट 3 आपने पढ़ा नहीं होगा तो प्लीज बी एब्सेंट फॉर दिस यूनिट, because this complete unit is based upon unit number 3 only. Because whatever the concept of electromagnetic induction we people have studied, we are going to get revised here. But we can say unit number 6 is the application of unit number 3 in very simple words. Unit 6 is the application of unit number 3. Okay, so whatever the functionality a transformer does, it does by the virtue of electromagnetic induction. I hope you remember that, which is nothing but the generated EMF is directly proportional to the rate of change of flux. Okay, so E is directly proportional to d phi by dt. I hope it is clear. Okay, further, where the two electrical circuits are in mutual inductive influence of each other. Now, what do you mean by mutual? I want one person to please reply at least in the chat box. What do you mean by mutual? What do you mean by mutual? Yes, very good. नहीं 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 Anup, not both. Common. Okay. Yes, mutual means what? There should be at least two things which are in the vicinity of each other. एक दूसरे के नजदीक होंगे या एक दूसरे के कांटेक्ट में होंगे, नॉट डायरेक्टली. आपने म्यूचुअल इंडक्शन का कॉन्सेप्ट याद करना है. वहां पर डायग्राम में क्या ड्रॉ किया था याद है आप लोगों को? देयर वाज लेट्स से वन वाइंडिंग व्हिच आई हैव ड्रॉन. I have applied the supply to both the windings or to only one winding. Can anyone tell me in the chat box whether I have applied the supply to both the windings or only to one winding? Only one or both? Very good, Anish. Good, Anup. I have applied the supply to only one winding, and the effect of the electromagnetism of first winding has caused the generation of electricity in the second winding, and this is what called as mutual induction. One causes, एकदम simple words में बोलूं, one causes the effect